Okay, my grade 12s, time to rock and roll here. Okay, we're starting off, obviously, which we've had a couple meetings already, in person and online. We're creating our own identity, and it's a takeoff from grade 10, 11. And this time I want to go into a different style, and this is it right here. Okay, it's a block lettering, printing press, stenciling, and ultimately my goal is for you guys to design your work, and then we can 3D print it, and then we can kind of stamp around, have fun. Okay, so basically we can make our own version of this with a 3D printer. I'm guessing, I'm thinking, you know what I mean, and we'll go from there. So this is in addition to what we talked about earlier during our synchronous meeting. I just want to take the time to say, look, take your time with the research. Okay, get some really cool references. I want to bring this up because I think this is so exciting. Like I can spend weeks on this, um, making my own typeface. Okay, and look how whimsical this is. It's block style, cubic, geometric. All those words come to mind. And whimsical means fun and loose. So this is kind of fun. Like this is kind of down the road, okay? And this is kind of confusing when an instructor or a teacher says to you, hey, you got to design your logo. Where do you start? Obviously, we start with our mood board or our references, right? And you can see the different styles and so forth, right? Okay. But the idea is not to get to the end result. This is what I'm trying to say to you guys, okay? These are just beautiful works. What you're not seeing is the amount of work it takes to get here, okay? So this is important. I'm going to repeat it again. What you're not seeing is the amount of work that was done, the various generations, okay, renditions and so forth of this design. Okay, so it probably started, let's say, for example, uh, this could have been like the full name, it could be uppercase, lowercase. It could be a different symbol and so forth, right? This is what we're missing. We're always in a world where we're seeing end results, but we're not seeing process. And the process will alleviate the stress of doing an activity like this, okay, in my opinion. Okay, so let's just get out of this for a second and let's go in here. Okay, and I'm gonna hide this later, and I'm gonna say, okay, this is my board here. I love what I've done here. I mean, I like these references, but I'm not gonna go in here and start going. You know what? I'm gonna take this typeface here, and I'm just gonna start maybe taking this design and then put a square around it, and I'm done. Right? That's not what I want to do. This is here as an inspiration, and I would have preferred that you guys would take the time and say why you like all this, but because we're in like super fast mode here, accelerated because we only have till early November. I want us to reflect on things we're doing on our own time. I said how much I'm impressed with Lois, right? I have to say it again. Like this was her early version, and the step two was without the .net, and then step three was Loish.net. Eventually, just evolving, and then the word Loish was thinner before it got thicker, and this is her identity. Anybody who follows character design knows who Loish is, for example, in the industry, right? So this is really beautiful, but just remember, like I know this resolution is terrible. This isn't where she got to right off the bat, and neither am I expecting you guys to get here. Okay, so I have stuff like this. This is what I would do myself, and I am going to do this. And I said to you guys, I'm thinking of this myself as well. Every assignment you guys do, I do as well. Okay, so what I'm saying to myself right now is like, yeah, you know, this is about me. I want a block. I want it 3D printed. I want to have this kind of stamp looking thing and I want to play around. So, you know, is it going to be my name? Is it going to be my full name, for example? Let's change this color for a sec. My apologies here, and should we go darker? Maybe, yeah. Okay, so yeah, that looks good. And I'm using this fountain pen, which is really wild. So, okay, first, do I want my full name? Right, full name. Then I'm going to ask myself, is it uppercase or lowercase? Right? Do I want my full name? Do I want initials? Right? I want to record this because uh, this is really fun for me in graphic design and typography. It's a powerful medium to communicate identity and intent. Okay, there are people making a living creating typefaces, as I told you guys in class today, meaning fonts and so forth. So let me explain. Like these are all the different questions you want to answer, right? Now, do I want to say my website is Abalion, for example, right? .com. Do you want to do something like this that Loish did, right? So basically, she would have something like this, and then you would go net or .com, right? And then what does this look like? Um, is this large? Is this small? Right? Is this all bunched up to IAN? So now what I want you guys to do is think of shapes and letters. Okay? So here's what I mean by shapes. Okay? And you guys know when we're drawing in my class, I never say draw the end result, draw the shape, draw the form. So this is the same idea in typography, okay? It's a lot of fun, guys, but it does take time, and I'm begging you guys, I'm encouraging you to keep sketching, okay? So for example, let's say I want to have my first letter, right? So it's A. I'm gonna draw a box here, and this will be A for me, for example, right? And I'm gonna say, well, maybe I want Balian this way, so I'll just go Balian like this. Do you see? So this is its own thing. So I'm playing with shapes, and like if I want, um, like you can see here what I did earlier, just a second ago, a minute ago. See here, Valiant. I can go IAN here, and I can take this one out. But I don't want you to erase that, right? So watch. I'm have so much to say, but I want to try to keep this small. I mean short. Okay. So this could be A, and it's a box, whatever. This could be B for Valiant for B, right? So these are my shapes. Do I want to go A Valiant here? See, this is another one. So I don't want to doctor this one up. I want to, what I usually do is I say to you guys in Illustrator and whatever else, I want you to duplicate it, Command C, Command V, move it over, and then do refine and iterate, right? Later. Don't do it all here. Do not just work on this in this spot. I want you to move around, go different locations, go here, try a different one. And for me, like I like to think of things as shapes, as I told you guys. So watch this full name, right? So I'm gonna say, well, I'm liking this idea, but I want to keep it whimsical. Maybe the A is really, really big. Okay, so and then I'm gonna make Valiant really, really small, and then I'm gonna bring them together like this. So this is my bounding box. Maybe it'd be another bounding box, and this would be it. Okay, so see, like this is the overall idea for me, without delineate, without articulating what the insides are. This is just a shape. Okay, let's get out of that. So think of this first, okay, and then like the stylization comes later. Okay, so if I wanted to have the my first letter A to be like this, or like whatever, like I can go like that and go here, make my own font. I can have legs. I can add a serif tick here and so forth. Like that comes later. Do not jump from this to here, stylization. Don't go there. Just keep playing, right? Keep playing with shapes. So look at, I was just doing this right after my demo with you guys a few minutes ago, actually, 15 minutes ago. And I started playing around and I said, you know what? It could be Alexi Balian, and then I'll have abalian.com underneath, right? So who cares? I mean, it doesn't have to happen, right? What if I want to put the year 2020, right, in this, so I can come in here and go 2020, and then this becomes part of it, right? Okay, so this should have been a different drawing right now altogether, right? So I'm just going to go like this, Command Shift Z, Command Z, I mean, Control Z a million times. Let's see. Okay, good. I'm going to just come to this layer and I'm going to borrow this for a second here. Just go like this, Command C, Command V, and move it up. Where are you moving up here, right? So now I can add more to it. Press Enter. We're good to go. Okay, so its own layer. So now I'm going to zoom in here and I'm going to say, yeah, you know what? I want to add the 2020 that Lexi was talking about. So what if I put the 2020 over here, like this? Like, is that not the style? Who knows, right? Do I want my website here? A Valiant. This is getting really complicated, right? And it hasn't become a geometric pattern yet, right? Okay, so but what you got to do is get this out of your system. Okay, so understand if you don't do this, you can't get to the end result, right? So if I'm just going to go to the puzzle style, I'm going to go. It's just going to be a underline B, and my B starts here. Let's go. I don't know. I'm just gonna go to town here. So this is me here, like that, right? So this is my logo. I mean, this is my stamp, right? I can come in here and add more stuff. Like this will be just blocked up. And I'm thinking on a 3D printer, this part is basically bumped up, extruded up, right? And this could be one of them. I can have for example, I can have a star here. Who knows, right? With rings around it. I don't know. And this is kind of like me from now on. Or I can take this right now. Let's go. Let's get another idea really quickly. I have this again. Command C, Command V. Or, let's move it over right here. Okay. So now I'm just going to say, nope, I don't want it there. I want this to be an asterisk. Asterix? No. I hope you know what that is. Asterix. It's my like favorite comic book I was reading as a kid. Right here. See? I can have it here. And then I can take this again and say, yeah, you know what? Initials is fine. And basically, I'm going to go, okay, so I can think about color and so forth next. And then I can say to myself, yeah, but I want a Balian.com here. And I can't write my like this, right? So you see, like there's so much you guys can do. I can say, okay, now I had fun with just initials, right? So now I'm going to play with just my name. So let's go. You can say bye-bye to all this. You don't even have to look at it if you don't want to. Just go to another layer and just say, okay, how does this start? Without copying somebody else's work. So do you want your name like this, right? So here, do I want it to be Alexi, for example? And how could I make that interesting? Maybe it's like that. Do I want Balian? Maybe Balian goes right to here. So I'll just go Balian. Balian is smaller. And then what I can say to myself is, oh, yeah, well, that's kind of interesting. What if I reverse this, right? So remember, copy paste, right? Move it over, resize it, switcheroo it. This is a lot easier in Illustrator or whatever, it doesn't matter. So I can go Alexi up here and Balian down here, right? And is there some kind of a relationship between these two? Is there a line across? And so on, right? Now, do you want to go A like this and just go Bal Yin? Now, good luck trying to figure what this is, right? So this is my dividing point. Boom, like that. This could be kind of cool. This is the A, and then we'll do, and then I'm just going to play with this. There, this becomes a .com, right? So now I've broken so many barriers for myself, right? Because I've done so much in a short period of time. I'm assuming this is like 15 minutes right now. Yeah, under. Woohoo! This is awesome. So now, like what you do, once you get this far out, right? And let me just merge this, Command E, just like in Photoshop. And then I'll just move this over here. And then what I'll do now is I'll post this to my class on D2L and say, guys, this is where I'm at. And I want you guys always, always to talk to each other, okay? As you well know, on the weekends and in the evenings, I'm not going to answer, right? I can see the work coming up, and I'm going to do my best not to go online. But if that's the time you guys are ticking at 10 o'clock at night, it's your turn now to say, yeah, you know what? I'm going to ask a question to my classmates, right? So I'll just come over here, bring it here for now, and then let's bring this one up, and so forth, right? So you step back. Sometimes you want a different point of view. Okay, look all this in about 15, 20 minutes, right? So important to start here. What is your story? What do you want to communicate first? This is the what right here, right here. Okay, okay. There. And then I want you to play with shapes without even stylizing anything. This was a bit stylized because I needed to let loose and then try to do stuff like this, right? So this is just my initials. This actually remind me Bardell Animation Studio that I visited in Vancouver, and I know a few animators down there. So I think Bardell was something like this, something, it was like in this kind of, I don't know. And then there was a big exclamation. I don't remember anymore. But that reminded me, this is something from my subconscious, right? And let's see, like it was maybe something like that. I think I do remember them changing their logo, but it was something like this. Who knows? So when I did this, I kind of connected a story in my past, right? So I'm just going to get rid of all that. I hope, and in the future I'll do these things on different layers. So once you get this far, all you got to do is post it up, and get some feedback. Okay. And when I see you guys on Friday morning in class, I will give you feedback. We will talk about this and so forth. Okay. So please, the idea is not to come here and do stuff like this. Okay. So, oh yeah, I'm going to recopy this person. I'm going to find some kind of a symbol. I'm going to bring it and put my letter, Balian, I'm done. I need you to go through the process. Trust me. At times it's painful, but when you break loose, the rewards are amazing, 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 amazing. Okay, enough chatting. First one, let's do this. 1529, Balian out. See you guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you in class on Friday.